Hello, guys, good evening. I hope everyone is fine and safe. Today, I'm here to talk about mental health. I know that each and every one of us know at least one person who is suffering from mental illness or depression, whatever you may call it. If not, then be careful because it might be you who is suffering from mental illness, and this is really dangerous. You have to start talking to people, and one who knows someone who he or she is suffering from this mental illness, then please go and talk to them. They really need you. They won't come to you and tell you that I am suffering from mental illness or I am not well, I want to talk. No, they won't. You have to understand. You have to understand the behavior, how they were and how they are now. You have to judge them by their activities, by their behavior, the way they used to speak. You can just calculate it. It's not a big deal, but you really have to be careful about it. They might be your friends, your colleagues, your family member, anyone. You have to tell them that mental peace, the power of peace, is within you. It's inside you. You have to find. No one else can find it for you. Go motivate them, tell them that it's okay to be sad, it's okay to feel low, but then you have to speak. You cannot just sit in a room feeling depressed, thinking about suicide or not doing the activities that you love to do. This is not the solution for depression or for the sadness what is inside you. You know what? Stress refers to tension, but this frustration, anger, loneliness, depression, this all are the stressful states. And peaceful states of connections are the joy, love, happiness. So one should know what the person is going through. Is he in the stage of stressfulness, or he or she is in the stage of peacefulness? If you don't understand, then you have lack of understanding. You don't understand people. You are being selfish, and I don't think so you can help those people, or in that case I don't think so you can help yourself. You know what, when the person is really depressed, you can see in his face, you can tell them by their behavior. The person will be sad, lonely, aggressive. He must be suffering from insomnia, and the alcohol intake will be double, and the drugs, blah blah blah. There you know that the person is really depressed or he is going through something. I will just tell you one thing. Go and talk to the person if you know someone like that. Try to create the positive energy. Try to create the positive vibes around them. I know it will help a lot. And if you have helped one of them, then you have done so much for the society. According to WHO, the World Health Organization, 450 million people are suffering from depression. And you know what? 800,000 people commit suicide every year. That's the round figure I'm just talking about. And you must have seen the recent news I'm sure I don't have to go through it, but then that was just a reminder that everyone, be it a rich, be it a middle class, be it a poor, everyone are going through some stress, some depression. Money can buy stuff, but money cannot buy you family. Money cannot buy you a friend. Yes, it might buy you fake friends or fake people, but it is until you have money. So try to find real people, real friends. Try to make real friends who will be there with you when you need them, and make sure that you are there for them when they need you. ये जो डिप्रेशन है, इसे अपने ऊपर हावी होने ना देना, क्योंकि आप शायद ही सोच रही होगी आप अपनी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म करना चाहते हो, या फिर बहुत हो गया, कोई आपसे प्यार नहीं करता, या आप बहुत अकेले हैं। नहीं, हमेशा ये सोचना कि वहाँ घर पे मेरे पेरेंट्स हैं, मेरे दोस्त हैं जिनको मैं छोड़ के आया हूँ, वो हैं, वो मुझे प्यार करते हैं। और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, बट शायद आप देख नहीं पा रहे हो। तो ये सुसाइड करने से आप बस अपनी लाइफ ख़राब नहीं कर रहे हो, आप तो चले गए। आपके पीछे 100 ज़िंदगी है जो आपको प्यार करती है, और आपके जाने के बाद वो अपने आप को कैसे संभाले वो नहीं देख पाती। तो प्लीज़, मरना ही सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, मरना ही उपाय नहीं है। अपने आप को आप इतना मोटिवेट करो, इतना अपने अंदर इतना पॉजिटिव थॉट्स लेके आओ कि जब आपको बोलेंगे ना, आप मरने का सोचोगे ना, तब आप उन लोगों को याद करो जो आपको बोलते थे तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा। आप उनको करके दिखाओ। आप बोलो मत, बट आप करके दिखाओ। आपको जो उन्होंने बोला था तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, आप अब वो करके दिखाओ। बट ये जो तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये लोग, कुछ लोग ले नहीं पाते हैं और सोचते कि हाँ मुझसे हो ही नहीं पाएगा, मुझसे हो ही नहीं पाएगा। बट नहीं, यही तो आपको नहीं करना। और वो लोग जो कहते हैं ना तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, वो चाहते हैं कि तुझसे ना हो। बट आप प्लीज़ ये बात सोचो मत, आप उनको उल्टा करके दिखाओ ना। अभी की जनरेशन जो है ये एकदम उल्टी हो गई है। हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं था। आज से 15 साल पहले तक ये डिप्रेशन, ये वो इतना नहीं था, इतने सुसाइड्स नहीं होते थे आई गेस जितना अब हो रहे हैं। हाँ, अभी टाइम थोड़ा ख़राब चल रहा है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बस तुम अपनी लाइफ ख़त्म कर दो तो तुम्हारी सारी टेंशन ख़त्म हो जाएगी। नहीं, आपको मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग होना पड़ेगा। और मैं अभी भी कह रही हूँ, अगर आपके आसपास कोई भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो आपको लगे कि नहीं ये पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, आप ऐसा क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हैं, प्लीज़ आप उनसे जाके बात करिए। बात करने से मन हल्का होता है, बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है। क्या पता आप एक जान बचा दो किसी की। आजकल तो सोचते भी नहीं है मरने से पहले, बस मर जाओ, मतलब बस मर जाते हैं, सोचते नहीं आगे पीछे क्या है क्या नहीं। मरना ही इजी है, मरना ही सोल्यूशन है। नहीं, मरना इजी नहीं है। वो ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कायर लोग होते हैं जो मरते हैं, डरपोक होते हैं। आपको फेस करना आना चाहिए। तो क्या कायर होके जीना चाहते हो, डरपोक होना चाहते हो? और इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हाँ मैं कायर नहीं हूँ तो मैं मर रहा हूँ। नो, नहीं, खुद को मोटिवेट करो ना। तुम बताओ सोसाइटी को, हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ। ऐसा नहीं कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, करके दिखाओ। आई होप मेरी इस छोटी सी क्लिप से आपको थोड़ा भी समझ में आया हो, और आई नो कि आप हेल्प करोगे। आई नो यू विल हेल्प दोज हु आर in need of help in this situation. Try to do yoga, try to do meditation, try to calm yourself. There are lots of apps in the App Store or in the Play Store. You'll find you can do meditation. Just relax yourself and forget about the tension. Do not listen to sad music. Do not watch the dark series. Do not watch all those. It might lead you to more depression. Or yeah, just try to be happy, just smile, do what you like, do the activities you like, dance, sing. It's okay. Let people say whatever they want to say. I make videos, I don't care about anyone. It's okay, but I do not post offended videos or post. I sing, I don't know how to sing, but I do sing, and I post videos, I make videos and I post. I don't know, I know I'm not good at it, but at least I'm not depressed. I know I'm happy, and I do at least think that if I make a video and if you guys are laughing or smiling, then I'm doing something from my part to make you guys happy. At least watching my video will make you laugh, make you smile. It's okay, you can make fun of me, I don't care, I don't bother about it. It's okay, but at least you're happy, and I'm glad. And I will keep posting videos or clips, whatever it is, story. At least you will laugh because of me or smile, whatever. And I want you to do the same. You can read some books. I'll show you one which I'm reading right now. This is the third time I'm reading that book, by the way. You can win. This book helps you to think positive. You must read this at least once. Really nice book. This is by Shiv Khera. You can win. See, so take care, guys. I hope you will help someone who is in depression. See you guys in next video. Keep supporting, do share, like, and do comment. And yes, thank you. Bye bye.